Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the File Manager in Android. First, find the Files or File Manager app icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. Tapping it opens a central hub for all your digital content. You will see categories like images, videos, audio, and documents, making it easy to find specific types of media. This app also allows you to access both your device's internal storage and any external SD card you might have inserted, giving you full control over your files. Once inside the File Manager, navigating is straightforward. You can tap on various categories or individual folders to explore your stored content. If you are looking for something specific, simply use the convenient search bar, usually located at the top, to quickly find files by their names. Additionally, many file managers offer options to switch between a list view, showing more details, and a grid view, which is great for visual content like photos. This helps you organize and locate everything efficiently. Managing your files is simple with a few key actions. To select a file or folder, just long press on it until a check mark appears. From there, you can choose to copy files, creating a duplicate in a new location, or move them, transferring them entirely from one folder to another. Deleting unwanted items is also easy, helping you free up valuable storage space on your device. These tools are essential for keeping your digital life tidy and accessible. For more advanced organization, consider creating new folders to categorize your documents, photos, and videos precisely. You can also compress large files into zip archives, which can save significant storage space, sometimes reducing file sizes by 50% or more. Regularly clearing your device's cache is another excellent practice to improve overall performance. Finally, always monitor your available storage. Keeping at least 20% free helps prevent your Android device from slowing down and ensures smooth operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.